low battery, and stuck in the middle of traffic? Introducing the BAVIN PC2139 car charger. Up to 65 watts charging speed, newly upgraded design with built-in Type-C cable, a retractable cable with 70 centimeters cable length, suitable for any types of car, USB interface output and Type-C interface output, ultra-fast charging speed, can charge 3 phones simultaneously, also applicable for laptop charging, charge while using your phone, ergonomic design, made from high-quality materials, small and compact size. The BAVIN PC2139. Get yours now!